To install an always on display on your Samsung Galaxy A57, you need to begin by opening Settings. Then you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen and AOD and ensure that your always on display is enabled. From here, just go back to the main settings menu and then simply select the option Themes. Under Galaxy Themes, you then want to move to the category labeled AODs or Always On Displays and then select it. From here, find an always on display that you like, tap on it to see the preview. If you don't like it, you can just tap on the back button until you find one that suits your preferences. When you find it, you can just go ahead and select download and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once you've done that, simply select apply and choose whether you want to apply clock and image or image only. And once you've done that, simply select done. Now, whenever you glance at the always on display of your Galaxy A57, you can see the one you selected has been successfully installed. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.